Hello and good day. Welcome back to our class. This is teacher Onen Guzman and our topic for today is geometric construction from grade 7, quarter 3. So in geometry, bisection is the division of something into two congruent parts, usually by line, which is called a bisector. So the most familiar considered types of bisectors are the line segment bisector and the angle bisector. So let's begin in constructing line segment bisector. So the first step is draw the line segment AB. So let's have point A here, and the other one is point B. Then after that, open a compass that is greater than the half of the length of AB. Okay. Then we will draw an arc by placing the compass at point A. Okay. We will do the same on point B. We will draw an arc. Then draw a segment CD that passes through the 2 points of intersection. So we have actually point C and point D. Let's connect this together. Okay, notice that the intersection of A and B and CD is, we call this one as point N. Okay, this line segment CD bisect the line segment AB. So we can say that AN is congruent to line segment MB. So to make your illustration clean, erase the pencils. So we can erase the pencil mark. So we have now this one as your construction. Alright, in the next one, and for our construction, so we will construct an angle bisector. So first one is we will draw an angle A. So let's have okay, so we have angle A. Next, so we will place the compass at the point A to draw an arc that intersects both the angles. Label the intersections B and C. So again, let's get a compass. Okay, on point A, let's draw an arc. Okay, so we have that arc already. Next one. So we will use the same opening. Okay. So, but before that, let's have here point B, and this one is point C. So we will use the same opening to construct another arc. Okay, so here, arc here, and we will use the same opening, okay, to construct, okay, an arc. This time on point B. Notice that there is intersection. So we call this one as point G. Then we will connect, okay, the points A and G. So we will draw a ray. So we have ray AG. So again, so ray AG bisects the angle, okay, A. So we have actually angle, we can say that angle CAG is congruent to angle GAB. So again, we may erase the pencil markings to make our construction neat. So we have this illustration now. For our construction number 3, we will have, okay, constructing parallel to a given line through a point not on the line. So the first step that we will do is we will draw a line M. So this is line M. And draw points Q and R on line M. Okay. So this is point Q and this is point R. Next is connect points P and R. Okay? Or should I say P and Q rather. Okay, so let's have here point P. Then after that, okay, we will get our compass. Okay, to make an arc to point, okay, Q that will intersect, okay, this ray and this ray. So that will intersect the ray QP and QR. Okay, we will use the same opening such that, okay, this time, okay, we will start from point P. Okay, next one, measure using your compass. Measure the length from this point of this intersection, okay, the opening of your arc. Okay, so okay, from this point, so let's call this point as point S. Okay, from this point we will use the same measurement to create an arc. Okay, then we will label the intersection as point B. Okay, now we have this point P and point B. Let's connect them together. Okay, so take note that the line PB and line is parallel to line N. Okay, so again, let's erase the pencil markings to make our illustration neat. So this is our illustration. So let's move on to construction number 4. So that is constructing perpendicular lines given a line that passes through a given point. So the first one is we will construct a line N. Okay. Then we will have point A, which is not on line N. Next, so we will use our compass. Okay, starting from point A, we will create an arc that will pass through, okay, line N. So there are two intersections. So we will call these intersections as point B and point C. Okay, next, we will use the same opening to create an arc starting from point B. Okay, there. And we will use the same, okay, point or the same opening of the compass to create an arc, this time on point C. Okay, notice that there is intersection, and this intersection will be called as point D. Okay, so let's connect the points A and D. Alright, so line AD is perpendicular to line N because they intersect to form 4 right angles. So there will be 4 right angles here. So that ends our discussion on basic geometric constructions. Again, this is Teacher Odin Guzman. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified about my new videos. Thank you.